Hello team, here's my justification for the design choices I made when creating the infographic we need. I used the Human Resources Statistics infographic template from Visme. However, I used only the base outline of the infographic as well as the color scheme, and changed some of the layout as well as all of the titles and data in order to fit our infographic. I used proximity, which means placing similar things near each other, here and here. I did this in order to show that they are related to each other and that one has an impact on the other. I used visual hierarchy, which is making things larger and or higher than the others in order to show their importance. I made the main title the biggest in order to show that it is the most important because it sets the message of the entire infographic. After that, I made the subdominant titles here, 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 and here, as they describe what is happening in each of the data sets. After that, I made the subordinate things, the subtitles, here, 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 as well as here, and the sources, as they are the least important part of the infographic and what you should look at the least. I used center alignment in the titles in order to draw attention to them, here, 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 and here. I used horizontal alignment for all of the subtitles here, as well as for lining up each of the infographic data sets in order to make them easier to read and much smoother to follow. Additionally, I used vertical alignment here, 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 and here in order to separate out each of the parts, the title and intro, all of our infographic data, as well as the conclusion and our sources. I used similarity and anomaly here in our isotope. I used it to make one of the people a different color than the rest in order to draw attention to the difference, as you can see. I also did this in the title of the infographic to show that the 9 people line up with these and the 10 is different. I used complementary colors, navy blue here, light blue, as well as orange. The primary color for this infographic was the navy blue. As you can see here, it's about 60% of the infographic. The secondary color was the light blue, here, here, and here, which was about 30%, and the accent color, our orange here, being about 10% of our infographic. This allows for very good contrast between the data, especially here for our infographic, as it draws the most attention to that. Please let me know if you have any further questions about my design choices. Thank you.